Hello loves, welcome to the Sparkle Z Boutique. Today I'm coming to you telling you about these clip-in extensions that I have from curlqueenscom that I have installed in my extremely short natural 4C, 4B. I added. If you want to see what I think about it, you know what you gotta do. Keep watching.
Shine bright like a diamond.
I want to give you a look at what you will see when you go on curlqueens.com's website. They have all different type of styles, different type of textures. They don't just have clip-ins, they have wigs and ponytails too. And also right now, I noticed they're having a buy one, get one free sale. So make sure you go to their website and see what they have. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Okay, the hair that I received was the coarse Yaki hair, which is the hair in the middle. This is a clip that I got off the Curl Queens website. I lost the footage from when I first received the clip-ins, but I promise you, I can guarantee it does look the way that it is online in person. You get it in the gold bag. It comes with extra clip-ins, weaving thread, weaving needle, and it comes with the pamphlet letting you know what you had ordered and what you received. I am so happy that you're here. And now that you're here, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, share it, thumbs it up, and leave a comment down below. I've received 20 inches of the coarse Yaki Brazilian virgin hair. Is in between a silk press and a blowout, and it matches my hair perfectly. I've received 4 pieces with 2 clips, 2 pieces with 3 clips, 2 pieces with 4 clips, and 2 pieces with 5 clips. Okay, now I'm combing out my natural hair, and I'm just going to put some loose cornrows in here. And I'm going to do a lot of adjusting, you will see, as I'm installing these clips, because I'm trying to figure things out, compensating for the fact that I have shaved sides. Okay, I'm going to be adding the first clip in. As you can see, they open and close easily. I'm adding the one with the 5 clip, and then I will be adding one with the 4 clip. This is pretty much a trial, put one in, take one out, and you can adjust easily so that you can get it all to fit in correctly, and it could be undetectable. And so I really want you just to watch and see what I'm doing. But basically, I'm going to be adding it in from the 5, the 4, the 3, then the 2 clip-ins. And I would adjust accordingly if I need to. And so just keep watching. Okay, now I'm about to use this hot airbrush, and I'm just going to take it through the clip-ins just to get some of the waves out. I don't need it bone straight, but I'm just taking the time to get all the waves out, and so it can blend better with my hair. Clip-ins are so awesome. I didn't even realize that I missed a clip-in that I did not add in. So I'm going to straighten that out real fast and figure out where I want to place that clip-in at. And after I do that, I'm going to be taking this straightening comb and blending in my leave out so that it can be a seamless transition between the clip-ins and my own hair. Do y'all see that shine and that movement and that volume? I'm just saying, gorgeous. Once you blending in your leave out with the clip-ins, you may have to adjust them, but that's no big deal. As you can see, I got different lengths going on in front of my head, so I am having to work a little harder to blend it in, but as you can see, it can be done with patience and the right products. Okay, I'm going to take this brush and lay down the flyaways, and then I'm going to take some pomade and lay down my sides and my edges and anywhere where I want the hair to lay down. And then I'm going to finish that up with some black edge control so that I can fill in my side where it's shaved. And I also noticed using this pomade made my own hair and this hair blend in that much better. Of course, you can stop right here and it would be just beautiful. But I am going to go in now and use a flat iron and add some loose curls to these clip-in. I am not a professional at curling hair. I'm just doing what it do, but I do like the fact that it curls really easily and I didn't have to put any products on it, and the volume and the shine is absolutely there. I mean, really. You see how she laying? You see how she blending? Hunty. Just so beautiful and so gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning. Okay, now that we see what the front looks like, I wanted to make sure that I add a clip so you can see what the back look like, so you can see how full it is and you don't see any gaps, and my clip-ins are not clockable at all.
Thank you guys so much for coming and watching this review / tutorial. I love you guys. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.